Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of your Facebook account was suspended because your Instagram account and they will put the username of that Instagram account there and they will say it doesn't follow our rules. Normally they may give you some number of days and usually it's 175 days. It may be some different number of days, but you will see some number there of days that they will leave there and say that you have those number of days left to appeal, and it will say log into your linked Instagram account to appeal our decision. Okay, so I want to explain to you the cause of this problem and how to solve it. You see, this problem is caused by a linked Instagram account that is violating the rules. And when we say a linked Instagram account that is violating the rules, what it means is that a hacker, okay, first of all, your account was connected to an Instagram account, and the hacker hacks the Instagram account and posted something there that doesn't follow the rules. That is one of the things, the reasons why you may get this problem. Okay, or the hacker hacks your Facebook account and connect his Instagram account to it. And normally when you see the Instagram username, you see some weird Instagram username. Okay, so the hacker hacks your account and connect his or her Instagram to it, and then because that Instagram, probably the Instagram will normally violate the policies because they may put nudity and videos that violate the community guidelines on Facebook. So when they put those videos, your account, they are going to, that Instagram account is going to be suspended, and therefore it will affect your Facebook account. Okay, and the last option is, that one is less likely, but it also still happens. You may have your own Instagram account that is connected to your Facebook, and maybe you violate the policies of Instagram, or you posted something on Instagram that violate Instagram policies, and it will affect your Facebook account. So I will show you how to solve all of them. So for example, if it is your own your own Instagram account which is connected to your Facebook that you posted something which is against policies, then that one, what I would just advise you is that you just have to go to instagram.com. In fact, you have to just click on log into Instagram. You click on log into Instagram, and then you put your Instagram username or the username that they will show. But if the Instagram that is showing here is not your Instagram username, don't follow this process. This only click on the login to your Instagram account and put your Instagram username if the username here is actually your Instagram account and you probably violated a policy. So when you click that one, you put your Instagram username and password and log in, and then follow and appeal if they reinstate your Instagram account. And you have to write that you have to find out the reason why they have suspended the Instagram. They will normally write there. Then you have to appeal that you have gone through the Instagram policies and you can see that you have not violated that policy. They should please reinstate your account. When they reinstate the Instagram account, by default it will also reopen your Facebook. Then if the Instagram account, that username that is here, is not your Instagram, it means your account is compromised. So in that case, what I will advise you to do is that go to your browser and then type, let me just do it here and facebook.com/hacked. Okay, so you see something like what I'm seeing. So it says, if you believe your account has been compromised by another person or a virus, please click my account is compromised button below. We will help you log back into your account so that you can regain control. So you click on my account was compromised. Then they will ask you to enter the mobile number. So let me just copy the phone number. So you click on continue. Then they will ask you of the account that is your own. So you select the one that is your account. So I'm doing this for a client, and looking at it, this is the account. that was hacked. So you click on it. It will say check any mobile numbers or email to make sure that this is your account. So if you look at the phone number that is there, that is the correct phone number that was hacked. Okay, so I'll click on recover. So they are saying that they don't recognize this device. So what I will just do is that I will let him log in on his end and then follow the same process. Then we see how we can recover and then the account. But if you follow this, this one I have logged in on a new, I'm trying to appeal for him. But if it is your own device, and I advise you to do this one on a device that you own, because this one I'm trying to do it for a client. So because I'm trying to log in for the first time, they may say that they are not familiar with the device. But if you try to do this on the device where the account has been logged in before it was hacked, so you'll be able to report it, and they will investigate, and if your email is connected to it, they will send a report if the account is reinstated, or if there are any recovery procedures to follow. They will send your email and you can follow it and be able to recover your account. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you follow this and you have any problem and you need assistance or guidance, we can help you. But what I want to let you know is that we charge to help you get your account reinstated. Thank you for watching, and if you contact us, we will help you. Remember to like and subscribe and follow this channel for more. See you in the next video.